Hello students, welcome to our maths class. Unit 14, how big, how heavy. In my previous video, we have seen the introduction of this lesson. In this lesson, till now, we have seen about the volume of different objects. Volumes mean the space occupied by any object, three-dimension object, is called the volume. How much we can fit in an object, that also is known as the volume, or the capacity of that object. We learned about how to measure the volume of coins and some other object, that how to measure the volume of an irregular object or a coin by using a measuring cup. Now in this video we will start from page number 190, how many can fit in. Students, you know what is this? This is a cube. In our previous video also I explained you about the cube. Cube is a three-dimension figure. See, this is 1 centimeter, the height, the width 1 centimeter, the length also 1 centimeter. Okay, the 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. All the sides are 1 centimeter. This cube is like a dice. When we play the Ludo, we have the dice, isn't it? So that is about similar as the cube. The cube, all the three sides of the cube are the same only. This is a cube whose sides are 1 centimeter each. See, your Maths Magic book is 1 centimeter high. If you see over this book, Maths Magic book, this book is also, the height of this book is 1 centimeter. The height of this book is also 1 centimeter. So guess how many such centimeter cube will take the same space as your Maths Magic book takes. For example, students, this is our Maths Magic book. Okay, so this Maths Magic book, the height of the Maths Magic book is 1 centimeter. It has the length also and it has the width also. So now if this book is put here, so the volume of this book we are supposed to find. And now we are supposed to find out that in this book, comparative to this book, how many 1 centimeter cube can be placed. If I can draw 1 centimeter cube, how many such cubes can be placed on here? As the book is been here, the book is, I have kept the book. Instead of the book is getting the space of this many space the book has occupied. Instead of this book, I want to place some of the cubes. So then how many cubes will be there where I need it? So for that, first of all, I am supposed to find out the volume of this book, isn't it, students? To find out the volume of the book, first of all, I would like to measure the length and the width or the breadth of the book, because the height is been given to us. Let's go again to the page. Okay, space of the Maths Magic book. Now, hey, my Maths Magic book is about 28 centimeters. This I have measured and I am writing. The Maths Magic book is about 28 centimeter long. The length is 28 centimeter. So, dash centimeter cubes will fit around 1 centimeter 1 cube. So, how many centimeters to the length will be? 28 centimeter will be fitted, isn't it? Now, and it is about 21 centimeter wide. How many centimeters wide? The width is 21 centimeters. So 21 centimeter will fit along the width. 21 centimeter will fit along the width. 21 centimeter cubes. 21 cubes. 21 centimeter is the length. 21 centimeters. So how many cubes of 1 centimeter can fit? 21 cubes can fit. So the total centimeter cube will fit on the Maths Magic book is, see, to find out the volume is equals to L into B into H. Now if the L into B into H if we are taken, then it will be 28 into 21 into height is 1. Now let's multiply 28 into 21. 1 8 are 8, 1 2 are 2, putting 0, 2 8 are 16, 6, 1, 2 2 are 4 plus 1, 5. 588. How much it will be? 588. So how many total cubes we will need for 1 centimeter cubes we need? We need 588 cubes. 5 total centimeters, 588. Cube will fit on the Maths Magic book. In this Maths Magic book, 1 centimeter cube if we'll take, then we need 588 cubes total, which can fill in this book, which can fill the space of this book. Understood, students? This is about the volume. Now if all these cubes are arranged in one line, now what are they arranged? Now all these cubes are arranged in one line. How long will that line be? How long will be that line will be, isn't it? 1 cube is for how many centimeter? 1 centimeter. Total how many cubes we need? We need 588 centimeter, 88 cubes. So the line, if we place one by one, then the line will be how long? The line will be 588 centimeter long. Understood? 588 centimeter long the line would be. Now, a stage platform, practice time. A stage platform is made of 5 Maths Magic books. How many Maths Magic books are there? 5. The volume of this stage is the same as dash centimeter cube. See, 5 Maths Magic books they have kept, and 5 Maths Magic books they have kept. One Maths Magic book's volume is 588. So, how many, what would be the centimeter cubes of that, isn't it? For one Maths Magic book, we need 588. So, for 5, how many? So, we'll multiply it. And 588 into 5. 5 are 40, 0, 4, 5 are 40 plus 4, 44, 4, 4 carry. 5 5 are 25, 5 5 are 25, 25 plus 4, 25 plus 4, 29. 2940. Then how many cubes we will need? We will need 2940 cubes to make a platform which has 5 Maths Magic book, isn't it? Understood, students? Okay. Now what if we want to find out this? What was the volume of this? What would be the volume of this? See, it will be, first it will be 20 L into B into H. The volume is L into B into H. Now when the 5 books are there, so the height of this will, one book is 1 centimeter, 5 books will be 5 centimeter. So 28 multiply by 21 multiply by how much? 5, isn't it? Here we have multiplied it by 1 because there was only one Maths Magic book and the height of the one Maths Magic book was 1 centimeter. So I have multiplied it by 1. Now when there 5 Maths Magic books are kept, so the height of the 5 Maths Magic book will be how much? 1 centimeter, 1 5 are 5. So that's why I have kept the height as 5. And the answer we got is 2940. Understood? Now let's go further. Guess the volume of these things in centimeter cubes. In centimeter cubes. Yesterday also I have written the centimeter. How many centimeter cubes? The volume will be always calculated in the centimeter cube. Okay. In the previous, in the area was calculated in the square centimeter. But when we are talking about 3 sides, at that time we use the cube, the term cube. Guess the volume of each things in the centimeter cube. a matchbox is about how many centimeter cube you are supposed to calculate. Isn't a matchbox? If we see, the matchbox is like this. The matchbox, if the length you will see can 5, this we can see about 3, and the height we can see about 1. So what will the volume of matchbox? 5 into 3 into 1. 5 is a 15, 15 1 is a 15. So 15 centimeter cube. If I take about the geometry box, isn't it? Randomly I will take a measurement of geometry box. Geometry box I can take about 20 into 6. Chalo, let's say 20 centimeters long with 20 centimeters. This will be 6 centimeter, and the height will be 1 centimeter. 20 into, let's take 2 centimeter. 20 into 6 into 2. Now, so how much will be the 20 into 6? 26 is 120. 120 multiplied by 2. 26 is 120. 120 multiplied by 2, it will be 240. So here it will come 240 centimeter cubes. An eraser, you can measure the thing of your eraser. Eraser you can measure by yourself. For example, the eraser, if I draw an eraser, it will be like this. And the height will be there, isn't it? If I take a non-dust eraser, it would be like this, isn't it? So if we see about the length, width and height, width and height will be of 1 centimeter. Let's take this 3 centimeter, 3 1 and 1, isn't it? So how much it will be eraser? 3 into 1 into 1, so it will be 3 centimeter cube. Understood, students? All the length which I have taken was the approximately. If you want to take exactly, you can take your geometry box, you can take your eraser, you can take a matchbox, and you can measure the length, width and height, and you can multiply it. Okay, got it. Matchbox play. Now we are making a matchbox play. Tanu is making a stage with matchbox. She first puts 14 matchbox like this in first layer. How many first 14 match? She puts 14 matchbox in first layer. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 to the 14 matchbox she has kept in the first layer. Okay. She makes 4 such layers and her stage looks this. She makes how many such layers? 4 layers of 14. 4 layers she has made. So she used that matchbox to make the stage. See, one layer, there was one layer is equals to 14 matchbox. 14. So how many layers she put? 4 layers. So 4 layers is equals to 14 multiplied by 4. 14 multiplied by 4. So how much is 14 4s are? 14 4s are 56. So she used how many matchbox she used? 56 matchbox she used. The volume of one matchbox is the same as 10. Now here the volume is given. The volume of one matchbox is same as 10 centimeter cube, isn't it? Then the volume of this stage is same as one matchbox is 10 centimeter cube. Then 56 matchbox will be how much? So what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to multiply 56, because 56 are the total matchbox which are required to make the stage. If one matchbox is having 10 centimeter cube, then 56 matchbox will be how much? 56 multiplied by 10, we need 560 centimeter cube. So here will be the answer will be 560. 56 multiplied by 10 is 560. Understood, students? If all these cubes are arranged in a line, if all the cubes are arranged in the line, how long will that line be? Then all the cubes are arranged in the line, then the line will be of 560 centimeter. The line will be of 560 centimeter. Got it? Now, which has more volume? Your Maths Magic book of Tanu's platform. Our Maths Magic book has more volume because it was 588. Now, With your friend, collect many empty matchboxes. This is an activity. Many matchboxes of the same size. Measure the sides and write down here. I have taken and I have written 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So it is also 15 centimeter long. Use 56 matchboxes to make the platform of different height. Fill in the blanks. You can see 56 matchbox you are supposed to use, and you are supposed to make a different height. For example, if we can take we can divide it by 56, so we can put as a 3 height should be made by 3 matchboxes, isn't it? Here she has used 4 matchboxes, we can use 3 matchboxes. So such a way we can make the height, isn't it? We can change the height of the 56, or we can find out the factors of 56, and then also we can make the height. Okay, this again the okay students. Now we can also find out the platform. Use 56 to make a platform of different heights. Okay, different heights are taken. So how height? First I can take height. I will take a simple of 1 centimeter only. How long it is? So length I will take, for example, 28, and how wide it is? 2. 28 2s are 56, isn't it? 28 2s are 56 and 1, so it is total 56 matchbox are used. Now platform number 2, I can make the height. I will take 2 centimeter. Length I will take 7. The width I will take 4. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 8 7s are 56. So such a way we can use 56. Now third one you will do by your own. Okay friends, the volume of each platform is equals to how much? Each platform volume is equals to how much? That we are supposed to multiply by this. The volume how much? 1 into 28 into 2, so it will be 56 equals to 56 matchboxes. Understood? Now here the practice time. Mohan arranged this matchbox like this. How many matchbox did he use to make it? What is its volume in matchbox? Now see how many matchbox? 1 2 3 and 4 are used. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4. 4, this side also 4 and this side also 4. So how many matchbox are used? In the first layer 12, second layer 1 2 3 and 3 9, third layer 4 and 1. So how many matchbox are used? 12 plus 9, 12 plus 9 how much? 21, 21 plus 4 how much? 12 plus 9 21, 21 plus 4 25, 25 plus 1 26. So how many matchbox are used? 26 matchbox are used. Okay, understood? So till here we will do till here. I hope you have understood this all. This all the things you are supposed to do in the textbook only.